Hey everyone and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Microtel Inn Suites in Hoover, Birmingham. Before you book, make sure you watch this video to learn the top 10 things you need to know. Don't forget, I've put a booking link in the description so you can easily explore dates and prices. The hotel is in Hoover, Alabama, near the Riverchase Galleria Mall. You'll also find some parks. However, it's about 13 to 15 kilometers away from popular landmarks like the Birmingham Botanical Gardens and the Birmingham Zoo. Keep this distance in mind if you're planning on visiting these attractions. The provided data does not specify room types or sizes. However, important amenities include free Wi-Fi and breakfast. There is a fitness center as well if you need it. The provided data only shows the value score is 6.2 out of 10. It is a good option if you are on a budget. Make sure to check the booking site for the latest prices and any potential extra fees before you finalize your reservation. You'll get a continental breakfast. The exact options and quality aren't mentioned in the data, but it is a free perk, which is always a plus. The provided data says nothing about local transport options or the hotel's proximity to public transport, so you'll have to find out this information from other sources. The data does not specify check-in/checkout times. Guests should always double-check these details with the hotel directly or, more safely, with the booking site before their stay. The data does not clearly define a typical guest profile. The hotel caters to families, with family rooms available. The hotel also seems suited for solo travelers. The main pros include free Wi-Fi and breakfast. There is also a fitness center. These free amenities enhance the value for your money. The provided data highlights the 6.9 out of 10 review score and the distance to the main attractions to consider if you want to explore the city without a car. The hotel provides a shared lounge and TV area. Also, note that the rooms are sanitized between stays, and the hotel has adopted antiviral cleaning products for enhanced safety. So, that's what you need to know about the Microtel Inn Suites in Hoover, Birmingham. Overall, it's a budget-friendly option and good for a short stay. Remember to check out the link in the description for the best rates and easiest booking process. It's the safest way to plan your travel.